أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn a few ayahs of Surah Al-Ghashiyah, number 1 to 12. Okay, the remaining ayahs till 26 we will learn tomorrow. Today just 12 ayahs inshallah. First I'm gonna recite this, after that inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هل أتاك حديث الغاشية؟ وجوه يومئذ خاشعة عاملة ناصبة تصلى نارا حامية تسقى من عين آنية ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع وجوه يومئذ ناعمة لسعيها راضية في جنة عالية لا تسمع فيها لاغية فيها عين جارية. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. Very short ayahs, alhamdulillah. First ayah number 1. هل أتاك حديث الغاشية. هل, from the last part of the throat. هل. Okay, and this lam with no qalqala, don't recite هل. Okay. هل أتاك, ta for 2 count. أتاك حديث. Ha very sharp, sa with no whistling sound, don't recite it hadisu, this is wrong, it is hadithu. Connect this sa to this lam. Hadithul ghashiyah, gha heavily, and also alif maddiya to haraka. While stopping this ta marbuta, the round ta will convert to ha sakina. Okay, and you'll have to recite it. You just cannot remove it completely. The ha should sound correctly, and also don't do qalqala on it like ghashiyah. Sound at the end is wrong there. Okay. هل أتاك حديث الغاشية. غاشية وجوه يومئذ خاشعة. وجوه, wow with dhamma, you have to encircle your lips to pronounce it. Wujuhun, tanween is followed by ya, idgham with 2 count gunna. Wujuhun ya. Okay, hui kind of sound with 2 count gunna. Wujuhun yawma idhin, not yawma, yawma. Okay, yawma idhin, zal with no buzzing sound, tanween is followed by kha, the throat letter, huruf al-halqi, therefore no extra gunna required, just izhar. Read it clearly. Yawma idhin khashi'a. Kha again, that should be heavier, just like a gha, kha. It should not sound like a ghashia and a khashi'a. Okay, khashi'a. Here there is a ayn and here there is ya. You have to remember it, or else you will pronounce both like ghashiyah and khashiyah. This is not a ya, it is a ayn here. Khashiyah. Again ta marbuta, the round ta while stopping will convert into ha sakina, but while continuation you will recite it like ta only. Tun, right? Next letter is ayn, that is the izhar letter, so you will just recite khashi'atun amilatun nasibah. Okay, but while stopping only in that case, this round ta, that is ta marbuta, the feminine ta, will always convert into ha, the ha of aqs al halaq, and there will be always sakin added to it, the temporary sukoon. Okay, no other haraka. Whatever the haraka may be on this ta marbuta, it will always acquire temporary sukoon on ha. وجوه يومئذ خاشعة عاملة ناصبة. Not amilatun. Ain should be clear. And when it comes to ain maddiya, that is ain with alif maddiya especially, you're pronouncing it amila, like hamza first and then ain. Many of sisters did the same mistake in the previous surah, right? When ain had standing fatha on it, you all recited it like a. Reciting hamza with ain is wrong. Here there is just ain. Amilatun, not amilatun. Okay, amilatun. Connect this tanween to noon, because here we're doing idgham with a 2 count. Gunna amilatun nasibah. 2 count gunna, then stretch it for 2 haraka. Nasibah. Sad is heavy. Don't read it nasibah. The meaning will be wrong. Nasibah. And also don't encircle your lips and don't pronounce wow sound in it like nasui. This is wrong. Nasi. Okay. Nasibah. While stopping, it will convert to ha. Amilatun nasibah. تصلى نارا حامية. تصلى if you read it tasla, the meaning is changed. I mean, it will be meaningless. How to pronounce it? Tasla. But don't make this a ta or lam heavy. Like, don't recite it like tasla or tosla, like a ta into ta, and lam cannot be heavy here. Ta and lam is light, only sod should sound heavier. Tasla naran. Ra is heavy here with fathatan, and also tanween is followed by ha, right? Huruf al-halqi, the throat letter, no extra gunna required, just izhar. Naran hamiyah. Ha is very sharp, don't read it hamiyah. Hamiyah has no meaning, it is hamiyah. While stopping, ta marbuta, the round ta will convert to ha with sakina. تصلى نارا حامية تسقى من عين آنية. تسقى, قاف heavy, alif مخصورة, stretch it for 2 count. تسقى, not تسقى, تسقى, bit heavier. تسقى min, noon sakin followed by ain, huruf al-halqi, the throat letter, no extra gunna, just izhar. Min ainin, not ainin. Don't pronounce the yalin like a sound, it is a I sound. Okay, and also ain here, not hamza. Ainin, tanween followed by hamza. Again you'll have to do izhar, that is huruf al-halqi, right? No extra gunna. Ainin aniyah. Aniyah. Ta marbuta, the round ta will convert to ha sakina. تسقى من عين آنية ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع. ليس, not ليس. ليس لهم, mim sakin followed by ta, just izhar ash-shafawi. Lahum ta'amun, ta heavy, ain is light, and also mim is light. Ta. Ta'amun, read ain correctly, not like hamza. Ta'amun, tanween followed by hamza, izhar again, no extra gunna. Ta'amun illa, you'll have to stretch it for 2 count, and also this tashdeed is there, so emphasize it. Illa min. Now noon sakin is followed by letter dad, the letter of ikhfa, where you will have to hide the sound of noon sakin in their nasal cavity for 2 haraka. While doing that gunna, it will sound little heavier, as dad is a heavy letter. Okay, make this and pronounce this dad heavy from sides of your tongue, hafatul lisan, touching your all the upper gum line. Okay, and it should be heavier. إلا من ضريع. Here while stopping, Ain will acquire temporary sukoon, and you can apply the ruling of Madul Arid Lissukoon. In all the places from line number 1 to 5, we applied temporary sukoon to all these letters at the end, right? But there was no huruf al mad before it, so we did not apply Madul Arid Lissukoon. Here at the end, this Ain will acquire sakin and there is Ya Maddiya, therefore we can stretch this Ya Maddiya for either 2 haraka or 4 haraka or 6 haraka. Madul Arid Lissukoon, we will just keep it 4 count inshallah. And also don't miss to pronounce the sign, and also don't do qalqala on it like this is bouncing of the sound, you should not do that, and it should be very clear. Okay, ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع. ضريع. Okay, alhamdulillah. لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع. لا, to count, يسمن, pronouncing clearly, يسمن, ولا, again lam for 2 haraka, don't make this one, ولا يغني. Ghain is a letter of rikhava where you'll have to flow its sound, or else it will be like yughni, yughni. Don't do that qalqala, just let the sound flow for a half an haraka at least, like yughni, yughni, because if you recite it with the shidda, it will end up doing qalqala like yugh, yugh. This is wrong. Yughni, noon for 2 count, min, noon sakin followed by jim, letter of ikhfa, 2 count ikhfa, that is ghunna is done. Min ju'. Again we'll stopping madul arid lisukun, where you will stretch this either for 2 count, 4 or 6. We will just keep it 4 haraka. Pronounce ain clearly. لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع. وجوه يومئذ ناعمة. وجوه. The wow, you'll have to encircle your lips. Don't touch your upper teeth to the lips and say woo woo with the vibration. Just encircle your lips. Wujuhun. Tanween followed by ya. Idgham with 2 count gunna. Wujuhun yawma'idhin. Yawma, not yawma. Yawma'idhin na'imah. Okay, now tanween is followed by noon, right? Idgham with 2 count gunna. Yawma'idhin na'imah. Ain clear, and while stopping, ta marbuta will convert to ha sakina. Wujuhun yawma'idhin na'imah lisa'yiha radiyah. Lisa'yiha. Okay, ain, it should be very clear. Don't do qalqala on it. This is a ya with a kasra. Many sisters especially have this problem with ya kasra, okay? Because I have seen them reciting ya kasra like hamza with kasra, like e. Lisa'i. E is wrong. It should be from the middle part of your tongue, rising towards the upper hard palate. You will not touch it there, and it should be like ye, not e. Okay, ya, you, ye, not e. Okay, lisa'i, lisa'yiha, lisa'yiha, radiyah. Ra heavy, dad heavy, and dad should be from side of your tongue, not from the tip of your tongue. Okay, it should just touch there, that is the tip, but the hafatul lisan is where you'll have to pronounce a dad with, like radi, radi, radiyah. Again it will convert to ha sakina while stopping. Lisa'yiha radiyah fi jannatin 'aliyah. Fi, to count, jannatin, noon mushaddad, to count gunna. Tanween is followed by ain, no extra gunna, just izhar. Jannatin 'aliyah, 'aliyah. Ain for 2 haraka, and also it is not hamza. Okay, we usually, even when you keep this name for a girl, we just say them Aliya, Aliya, but it is actually ain, right? Aliyah, Aliyah. Okay, ta marbuta, the round ta will convert to ha sakina while stopping. في جنة عالية لا تسمع فيها لاغية. لا to count. تسمع عين clearly, don't recite تسمع. تسمع فيها both to حركة. لاغية لا to count. لاغية again time مربوطة will convert to ها ساكنة. لا تسمع فيها لاغية فيها عين جارية. فيها both to count. عين not عين and also not عين, that is not hamza, it is a عين. عين إخفاف to count. عين جارية. Ja to count. Ra kasra is light and again while stopping ta marbuta round ta will convert to ha. Okay, ha sakina. فيها عين جارية. Alhamdulillah, that is it for today. We have completed learning 12 ayahs of Surah Al-Ghashiyah. So if you have any doubts regarding the tajweed rulings of these ayahs, you can ask me. Any doubts? No? Alhamdulillah. Let's end the meeting now, inshallah. Practice well. Ayahs are very easy. Okay. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خير.
وأنتم فجزاكم الله خيرا.